Hey, my little bosses, it's your girl, Boss Lady Lexi, coming in really quick with a synopsis really fast of what has been going on. I have just gotten into a complete funk because all of the footage that I had of my workouts and a few daily vlogs were out there in the world somewhere. It just didn't come back to my phone, and I got very upset because I worked really hard on editing those vlogs and workout routines just for it to just disappear. So I do apologize for being missing in action, and I should be back today vlogging. So I'll see you all soon.